Guys, we are reps with Wowmobile. We are here in the middle of Tampa Bay, Florida, in the middle of a busy park at rush hour to show you a demo on the new Samsung i7500 Galaxy Android phone. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to hit this icon right here. This phone is now emitting a high-speed internet signal just like a wireless router would do. This means that any laptops or devices that can catch a high-speed internet signal will find the tethering feature. So let's go and show you that we got two laptops here with us today. We're going to go find that signal. There it is, Galaxy Tether. And as you can see, the signal strength is excellent. Let's go ahead and connect. Successfully connected to Galaxy Tether. And now we're going to go ahead and get on Google. This is all in real time, guys. We're going to show you how fast this phone is today. Now, we brought another computer. And let's see. Let me refresh this one. There's Galaxy Tether. Signal strength is excellent. Let's connect. And now we're going to put this machine on Google. Okay, guys, these machines, they are wireless. No tricks up our sleeve here. We are absolutely 100% wireless right now. Now, we're going to go on YouTube. And we're going to pull up a Miley Cyrus video for your enjoyment. Show you the actual speed of this phone. We'll go full screen for you. Here's Miley Cyrus with her new breakout video. Now, while this is happening,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, now let's go ahead and give this phone a call. This means that while you're tethering, you don't have to miss out on phone calls. You can choose to answer them, or you can choose to let them go to voicemail. The phone does it all. Now, you can see these two phones are connecting through a phone call while we are tethering. Guys, we are reps with Wowmobile. We are going to make $1 million with this baby.